1.7% of women-owned businesses ever reach $1 million in revenue. But here's the thing. Women are so freaking capable of being $1 million business owners. We hold ourselves back. The image that you have to be the perfect mom and the business owner, and you have to have all of these things and balance them at the same time. When you're in a group of women who are building businesses, some of them mothers as well, you feel so supported. You feel like you're understood in a way that nobody else understands what you're really going through. And when you feel understood, you ask for help. That's the true power. So many of us try to do this on our own. You know, for me personally, I felt like I had to prove to everybody else because I left my father's business. Now Megan needs to prove that she can be a successful business owner. And that sucked. It really did. I put so much pressure on myself. There's nothing else out there like it. This kind of support is missing for women who haven't reached that $1 million mark yet. Women who are still trying to get to $100,000 or $250,000, or who have surpassed $500,000 and still want to reach $1 million. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't change it for the world. All this experience, and now I get to bring amazing women together to share their experiences, women who have been successful in their own ways. And they bring that expertise, that knowledge to the table, and together we help each other grow our businesses. If I had $1 for every time somebody asked me, how did you know to bring all of us together? How did you know when you spoke to each one of us that we would work out so well as a group? It's a gift. I don't know how else to explain it. It truly is. And I'm so grateful to use this gift to help women entrepreneurs grow their business and really feel supported every freaking step of the way, because we need that. We need each other.